Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much. To those who have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe. Okay, on today's edition of So With You J, we are making this Igbo wrapper. Yes, I want to show you how you can measure and cut your Igbo wrapper. You see the way it is? Yes. So if this is what you are interested in, then keep watching. Now in this tutorial, let me let you know that you're going to know the measurements you have to use when you are cutting for a plus size and someone that is on a smaller size. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let's go.
Okay, guys, like I said, I want to show you guys how you can cut your Igbo wrapper. Yes, the normal wrapper women tie now, the two wrapper, like I just showed you guys in the dummy. So for that, we're making use of this African print. Yes. Now, when I say Igbo wrapper, that doesn't mean you can use this method for other wrappers. Yes, I know that we have the Edo, we have different tribes, even in Africa. But the whole thing there is that the double wrapper now, the two. You see the first one that is inside and the outer one. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can cut it and also fold the edges. So this is if you're making this is 6 years of African print. Okay, have it in mind that for this wrapper you can use I'll tell you the two measurements you can make use of. For someone that is very big on the big side, that's someone that is fat on the big side, and someone that is very slim. Okay. So now for someone that is on the big side, the measurement you use for the inside one, that the first one that will be inside, you use 2 years. Yes, you use 2 years and 30 inches. 2 years and 30 inches. For the one that will be inside, that's the inner one. Why for the outer one? That's the one that will just go like this and you put it here. You're going to use 2 years and 18 inches. That's for someone that is on the big size, the plus size. Now, for someone that is slim, like me now, I am slim. I won't say I'm fat. I'm slim. Yes, I will be on this slim side. Now, if I should make this for myself, you're going to use 2 yards and 18 inches. For the inner one, that's the one that will go like this that you tie. While the outer one, you use 2 yards and 16 inches. Let me take it over again. I said for the inner one, for a plus size, someone that is big, at least let's say when we're 16 is big, 16 from one should be 2 years and 13, 2 years and 2 years and 30 inches. Okay, while the outer one, the one you just put like this, should be 2 years and 18 inches. While when you're making for a slim person, at least from size 4, size 6, 8, 12, 10, let's categorize those ones as slim person. You have to use for the inside one, you make use of 2 years and 18 inches, while for the outer one, you make use of 2 years and 16 inches. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're making this for a plus size, for a big size. So now let's cut. Let me show you guys. Let's get our tape. Remember, I told you guys we're making for a plus size. Okay, so we'll take it out like this. This is where we are starting from. I told you we are taking 2 years and 30 inches. We want to get the inside one first. Then we mark, we bring out our 2 years. This is 36 inches, which is our 1 yard. We take our tape and measure out another 1 yard. This is another 36 inches. This is our 2 yards. We said 2 yards and 30 inches. So now we need 30 inches. So this is our 30 inches here. So we take our, we put a notch like this. Then we're going to tear it out. This one is for the inner one. This for the inner one. So I'm going to make a mark on the side. It's just to indicate for me that this is the inner one. Okay, I'll keep it by the side. Then we get our fabric again. So now we want to cut out for um the outer one, and we said for a plus size the outer one will be 2 yards and 18 inches. So this is our 1 yard. So this is the second one. So we get our 18 inches. So this is our 18 inches here. That's our 2 yards and eight. So we're going to put our scissors again. This is the second, the outer wrapper, and this is what will be used for the scarf. They want to make the scarf. This is what will be used. So now what we're going to do now, I'm going to take it over to the machine. You know these edges, that's like this, and this one, this is the right side, this is the wrong side. I'm just going to fold it this way. Just watch and see, just little folding. Fold it twice, then I'll stitch it round. I'll do the same thing for this, and also, okay guys, I'm done folding. So this is what it looks like when you fold. You see, this is what it looks like after you must have folded and all that. So you see, this is what it looks like, and I did it on the other side too. I did it all round, so nothing concern you with this side. You leave this way, this one, the way it is, you leave it like this. So this is how to make your wrapper, your Igbo wrapper. Yes, or your tool wrapper, anyhow you want to put it. It is that. But
Okay,
let's those
guys, I'm
clients
done.
that are
What I'm
always
doing now is optional.
talking,
Yes, it's not
is it
much
not
to do.
just wrapper?
So,
Is it
what
not
I do
just
most
wrapper?
times,
This is
once I'm
wrapper. This
done
is wrapper.
cutting and
I
folding
just
the
cut
edges of
and
my
folded
wrapper,
it.
I
You know, sometimes when you
iron
give
it
us,
out. Yes, iron
bring
it,
some
fold
work and
it,
we say you're
and
not doing, we are
before I
busy and
give
all
it
that,
out
you
to
do like,
the
but
customer.
it's just,
So,
there's
this
nothing
is
like it's
it.
just, this is wrapper.
So,
This is for a
thank
customer.
you for
I
watching.
just
Please,
cut
if you
and
have not
folded it.
subscribed, be way to subscribe.
Now I'm trying to help her
And if you have
iron it.
subscribed, thank you.
I don't
God
know about
bless you.
others,
I'll
but
see you
once I
guys
cut and fold the
in my
wrapper, I
next
try to
video.
iron
Thank
not just
you.
the